Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Passwords. This is where iCloud Keychain stores credentials. Once you tap Passwords, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode so the device reveals saved entries. Make sure iCloud Keychain is active only if you want synced passwords removed across devices. Now locate the account or website entry you want to delete. You'll perform the deletion from its detailed view, not from the summary list. Once you open an entry, review the username and password to confirm it's the correct one. Mistakes can lock you out. Tap Edit if you need to change details, or swipe down and choose Delete Password to remove it. If iCloud Keychain syncs, deleting here removes it across all devices signed into the same Apple ID, so make sure you have any needed credentials saved elsewhere. After deletion, exit Settings and test signing in where necessary to confirm removal. To finalize, decide whether to keep iCloud Keychain on. Turning it off stops further automatic syncing of password changes. Once done, check other iPhone, iPad, or Mac devices to ensure the removed passwords are gone there too. If a deleted password still appears, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, or restart each device. This forces sync. If that fails, temporarily disable Keychain, wait a few minutes, then re-enable it to refresh stored entries and complete the cleanup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.